Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about the flowers. Plant that bloom, which comprises the vast majority of plants, are called angiosperms. The flower is actually the sex organ of the plant and provides the structure for sperm or egg production as well as a place for fertilization and for the development of the new embryo. All parts of a flower evolve from leaves. The parts are arranged in whorls or concentric circles attached to a central axis called the receptacle. There can be as many as 4 types of structures arranged in whorls, but not all flowers have all the parts. The sepals of a flower are collectively called the calyx and comprise the outermost whorl. They are usually green and encloses and protect a flower's inner structure. A flower's petals comprises the next whorl, the corolla, which actually has pigment. Often the colorful petals attract pollinators. The calyx and corolla have no sexual function, so are accessory parts of the flower. The next whorl contains the male reproductive structures, the stamens. A stamen has a filament and anther sacs at its tip where meiosis and pollen formation occur. The innermost and best protected whorl contains the female reproductive part, the carpel. A pistil may be comprised of a single carpel or 2 or more carpels united. In many flowers that attract pollinators, glands called nectaries at the base of the flower produce nectar as incentive for the pollinators to visit the flower. The carpel has the stigma, the style, ovary, ovules, and nectaries. If a flower has all 4 whorls of structure, it is a complete flower. Any missing whorl could deem it incomplete. A flower that has both male and female whorl present is said to be perfect. Any flower missing either male or female part is called imperfect. A complete flower is also perfect, but a perfect flower may not necessarily be complete. Perfect and incomplete, imperfect and incomplete, perfect and complete. We can play it again. Perfect and complete, perfect and incomplete, imperfect and incomplete flower, while perfect and complete flower. Now move forward. Imperfect flowers are either male staminate flowers or female pistillate flowers. A species may have both kinds of flowers on the same plant. Such plants are monoecious. Female candle pistillated flowers and male tassel staminated flowers. The common cattle is such a plant. The brown candle of catalis is actually millions of pistillate flowers, while the tassel on top is comprised of staminate flower. Other species require 2 separate plants to bear the 2 types of flower, male flower on one, female flower on a separate plant. These are called dioecious. The willow is such a plant. The grey pussy willows are actually female flower clusters, while the yellow worm-like catkins on a separate tree are the male flowers. The flowers that attract pollinators tend to be showy and fragrant. The orchid, rose, jasmine, and cacti. Wind-pollinated plants do not need to put extra energy into attraction and so do not make very nice corsages. These less noticeable blooms include oak flowers, bridge, catkins, and grass flowers. Thank you for listening to this. For more videos, you subscribe to Subject Expert. Thank you.